You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Caragh. Caragh is how to say it, it's easy. Caragh. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.